You are right if you said that there were Chloe would be 8 inches long if you used 2 Chloes. Let's go ahead and look at what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be using Chloe as a measuring tool. Now, instead of using actual measuring tape or a ruler, we're just going to be using our Chloe. Seems a little bit different, but this is what we're going to do. We have our Chloe the clownfish right here. We have our Chloe bank right down here. What I want to do is I'm going to answer the question. It says the sea anemone is blank inches long. I am going to use my Chloe bank to figure out how long the sea anemone is. What I'm able to do is I'm able to take my Chloe and I'm able to drag her. Now notice I'm not going to be measuring her kind of like our pencil and our sticky note and our marker that we've used before. I'm going to be able to drag her and able to move her just like those tools. Notice how I want to actually grab the Chloe. I don't want to be grabbing the side boxes because then it'll change the size of my Chloe. So I'm going to be using my Chloe and I'm going to start my Chloe off right at the end of my sea anemone. I'm going to take another Chloe. Notice how I'm taking her by the middle, so I'm not taking her by the boxes. I'm going to put them together. Line them up. Now, I want you to think, should I be layering my Chloes on top of each other, or should they be end to end? They're going to be end to end so that it's going to be an accurate measurement. So I have 2 Chloes here. One is 4 inches. The other one's also 4 inches. I want you to think, how long is our sea anemone? If you say our sea anemone is 8 inches long, you are so correct. Let's look at our second slide. It says, what equation can we use to show our thinking? Think, how long is Chloe and how many Chloes did we use? So to think of an equation, I know my Chloe is 4 inches and I know I used 2 Chloes. So I could say 4 plus 4. Now I know that would be 8 inches. But from our pet store problem, we know the same thing as repeated addition is multiplication. I have 4s right here, but I have 2 groups of 4s. So I could say 4 times, I'm using my x, 2 equals 8. All right, you have your teacher model right here. I want to see what you can do with your Chloes. Go ahead and get started on your first assignment.